Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. In this video tutorial we will be learning about how to implement exception handling in Python programming. So what is an exception? Just to give a little recap, an exception is a kind of error that occurs on runtime when you suspect a block of code may generate an error. You always try to handle that kind of error. This type of handling is called exception handling, and in Python you have to write the piece of code, the possible code that you think may generate an error. You always write in try block, and if that error occurs, then except block handle that error. So for example, look at this code. If you want to raise an exception by yourself, for example, I have stored -1 in x, and in try block I say if x is less than 0, raise value error. The error is number is less than 0, and if this occurs, this would occur because x is -1, and if should be true. So if this exception is raised, then this except block shall run. So the value error is Hamza, and I print the value error is whatever the error is. In normal convention we write AE. So try block, in try block we write the code which may possibly generate an error, and in except block what to do with that error we always write like that. Okay, so if you run it now, because x is -1, so this if statement is true, and an exception is generated that is number is less than 0. Now you can see if I run it, you can see the number is less than 0. But if I write x equal to 1, and now if I run it, you can see there is no exception. So this is how you write a suspected code that can generate an error in try block, and except block handles that error. This is how exception handling works. So it does not necessarily mean you can write only one except block for a try block. You can write multiple except blocks for a try block. Maybe for example, this block may generate not only value error but sometime divide by 0 error. For example, if I uncomment it, now you can see in try block first statement is 1 divided by 0, that is infinity. So means there is a 0 division error exception has occurred. So this except block shall not be executed, but instead this except block would be executed. If I run it, now you can see division by 0 error has occurred. So this is how you can write multiple except blocks for a single try block. That's it.